Okay, so today I'm going to talk about the app creation and the startups. So the first part is about app creation. So how to create a app. First step, we have to set our clear goals, like what I want to do or where my app will be aimed, so I can be clear about what I have to do while doing this app. Second step is wireframe or planning. It's like sketching all about our app, like the design and what I have to offer in that. So the third step is the rendering. It's like a complete view of my app working in a system. So I have from there I can take notes like if I can make it easier or this or I can change this before the deploy. The technical specification is the first step. It is important because we as a team have to speak like the same language and know how to do it. The fifth step is evaluate the products or service to buy. Like there is something that I can like use, but it is created along the time. So I have to evaluate if it's good that I buy this service. Sixth step is make measurable milestones. Okay, so there I can take like small parts from the business and try to um, upgrade that part for the final project with the best for me and for the customer. The quality assurance is so important because we have to deliver something good and clear and so easy for the customers. And then so I can do upgrades or downgrades, whatever the customer says, but it is the most important part. Okay, the next step is the deploy. When I have all the app done, I have to put it in the market. So the deploy is very important because it's like the first sight that the people has of it. The ninth and 10th steps are more like analysis that the team makes after like months or days in the market, and so we can do an upgrade or an upgrade or to improve the app. Okay, so this is like a diagram where you can see the 10 steps, and this is like a layout of some apps. Like this one from above can be like Uber or Uber Eats, I don't know. So how long does it take to build an app? It depends from various factors, like we have to analyze what we need or what we are failing for. So for example, in average, it is between 6 and 12 months that an app can be completely done, or in some cases, the the app can take years and years. How much does it cost to make an app? Okay, so the cost of an app may vary. It depends depending of so many factors. But some experts estimated that the cost of an app can be 2000 and can vary entre 2000 and $2 million. Okay, so let's start up. What is a startup? A startup can be defined as a small company that has more promising scalability rate and tends to be much faster due to the use of new digital technologies. Okay, so it's like an entrepreneurship, but using the new technologies that makes the startup grow faster and faster and be more like more cost effective for all the people. Okay, so why are they then so important in this time? Okay, so as we know, the world is through a difficult situation about the pandemic and all of this, and this brought with it a lot of unemployment that the people have to stay in home without working and so on. So the startups can be so important because with one click at the web you can start a startup. So and the model business it's not like the traditional because in this business you have to improve the social media and the advertisement. Okay, so I have some examples of successful apps like Airbnb that was a startup, like three guys um, started this, like say there, like started with renting mattresses to nowadays rent like apartments in hotel suites and so on. Instagram also was an startup company. Pinterest that is well known as a source of searching images, ideas, and Angry Birds, a famous video game that that it was not easy for doing this. Like say there, they have to try 51 times, and this was also a startup. Okay, so that's all.